amazing. Yo, bro. You crazy, bro. You crazy, bro. Said nobody, okay? No, nobody be saying that shit to a guy playing them yo-yos, and I can spin a little of the yo-yo, you know what I'm saying? A little of that yo-yo. I'm not that good anyway. I'ma sound important cause I feel inferior right now, and I'ma use the word agenda cause now let me just get in your mind right now. As I said the word agenda, you were like, ooh, that guy's saying something important, bro. Cause I'm an important guy right now. I'm the man standing in front of the camera right now. So listen up, fellas. Today's gonna be amazing. The first time I'm going to show you how to make something, anything, and this is what it's going to be. Amazing, right? Yeah, I know that. Yeah, it's actually pretty easy to recreate. Like, I don't even know, like y'all can figure it out yourself, but I'ma just give y'all a little hint, here and there and there and there and there and there and there. That's all I'm gonna do. I'm gonna give y'all hints. Figure it out yourself. Let's go onto the computer. Oh hey, hi, didn't see you there. Wow, welcome back to the show, I guess. Today we are in After Effects, and I showed y'all what I'm gonna teach y'all today. So yeah, if you don't know what I'm talking about, actually check my Instagram. It's gonna be like, I don't know, the last link in the description. I don't know why I do that, but it's literally always the last link in the description. That's amazing. Anyways, and big shout out to Billy, dude. You suck, bro. You suck. Yeah, you know that. You were a mistake, dude. Nobody loves you. Yeah. Okay, so we're in After Effects right now. Amazing stuff. Yo, look at that shit. Looks beautiful, dude. Woo, After Effects. No, do it good, eh? Now just start off with a new comp. Boom. Duration 10 seconds, blah blah blah, 16:9. Hey, now it sounds good. Hit OK. Hit Control Y. You gotta make it solid. Make it black, make it gray, you know, a more darkish tone. Hit OK. Now you gotta make a new solid, but this time you gotta make it white. You know what I'm saying? Like white, bro. You know. And I'd say just drop a CC ball. The ball. BA. Ball action, yeah. So take that and yeah, perfect. Now you see, what the hell just happened? What? It didn't do shit. It actually did some shit, y'all. If y'all are blind, y'all cannot see that. But it looks like it pixelated everything. But all you gotta do is take the scatter slider and scatter the shit out of it. Yo, that looks cool. Woo! That looks amazing, dude. Okay, so you can play with the grid size. Okay, I just screwed it up. I'd say 3 looks not good. 5, nope. Make it like, yeah, that's cool. Ball size, make it a little smaller. I'd say scatter it up a little more. That's the max it goes. That's such an odd number it stops on. Wow, I didn't know that. The more you know, I guess. Perfect. Good job, guys. Good job, y'all. I only know if you're following me right now. Yo, and this is the thing, I would say duplicate it. Just now, screw that. Duplicate the solid, like your layer. Don't duplicate the effect. I just did that, dumbass. You know, change the scatter a little. Like, whoa. Make the grid a little higher. Mess around with the ball size. Looking good, baby. Now I'd say, now this thing, if y'all saw the thing, the balls rotated a little. So yeah, just rotate it in the X and Y axis. I think that looks the best. Y'all can like just explore, I guess. Keyframe and make it a nice 10, I guess. 10, because I'm a 10 boy, and that's why I'm from Tennessee. Yo, now that looks cool. That looks amazing. You know, I didn't do this last time, but I want to see how it will look if I hit this as -10. Will it look like it goes in the... Screw this, man. I meant to do this. Wait a second. I'm just... Man, I don't know. I'm just talking a lot, okay? I'm talking a lot. Just... Oh, dude. Yeah, I like that. So... That's cool, man. Wow. I didn't know last time, but yo. So get the first one on +10, get the second one on -10. You get this, you know, rotating, like, you know, in a fusion ball, like Dragon Ball Z type of stuff, which is kind of cool. Wow. I like that. Now, if y'all thinking like, yo, you didn't have that again, I know, you know, just hit Control Y again, select a cool color. Like, I'd say that looks space. That reminds me of, you know, space. I think a little darker. Yeah, that's beautiful. Now just take any iron ink. I take this, make a rectangle. Perfect. Go in the feather. Now you gotta feather a heck lot, like 1,000. Did not work. 5,000. Okay, yeah. Just let me feather it a lot more. Yep. Like, that's 10,000 right there. Perfect. That looks good enough to me. Yeah. That's it. I'd say like just drop it behind the balls, or you can drop it in front of the balls as well. Change the opacity a little low. I think it's a little too brightish. Increase, you know, just drag these along to like cover the frame a little more. I did not use this exact technique. I don't remember what I did. I did it a long time ago. Okay, so I'm just freestyling as of now. And I guess pretty much you can add glows to these, which I'm not going to do right now. But yeah, you can add glows, you know, switch them colors up and make it look snazzy. But yeah, I don't care like that. So Control Shift C, make it a new pre-comp. Make a background, man. BG for background, looking sneaky. Wow, beautiful, bro. Now just make a new black hole. Now actually we just created the background. If you look, this is the background. Let me play this for you, okay? Let me play this for you. It's, yeah. That looks so lame. Ah, dude, that's amazing. Just make a new solid black. Like that's all we need, black. Yeah, and now go to the eucalyptus. Okay, make a spear. Hit shift while making spear. I see a lot of people just making spears, but don't do that, okay? Don't be doing that. Hit shift and make the spear right to the center. Now, now this is the thing. This is really important, which a lot of people make. Take you have to hit this right here, whatever that is. Yeah, I know what that is. That's called, you know, the anchor point. And you have to take the anchor point and like try to. There might be an easier way for this in After Effects. I just don't know it, I guess. But try to get it exactly in the center. That's important, okay? That's important. I think this is just a bit too big, so I'll just hit scale and scale it like. Let's make it sleeper. Dumbass Merzaud 20%. I think looks good. Yeah, I like that. That looks like something. Okay, and now it's like really easy. All you needed a CC FLO flow motion. Drop it on your background layer. Zoom out a little bit, you know. Hit not one, and all you have to do is like punch a hole in there and go to the end and punch a hole in there, I guess. Yeah. Guys, come out somewhere over here. You see that? You see that going crazy right now? So yeah, wait, just zoomed in a little too much. I'll make it 0 for 0 cannot, and I'll just do it like -5. I think -5 to -8. Let's look at this. Yeah, I like -8 as of now. Now you might be like, but bro, what, man? What you talking about? It ain't the same. All you gotta do is listen up. Go here, go in the transforms. Oh, sorry, shit ass. Go in effects, CC flow, and yeah, just why is it so small today? I'd say first up, hit P for position. Hit the keyframe on. Just copy this, paste it over there. Did I just do that? Okay, no, I didn't. Copy that and paste it over there. You should be pretty much done. You're actually done, I'd say. Just, you know, a little color grading. Yeah. I mean, if that's not a black hole, I don't know what this is, dude. Okay, it's not exactly, but y'all get the gist. As I said, I'm gonna like give y'all a hint. I'm not gonna show y'all exactly how I made that previous one. That's not cool. You gotta learn shit yourself. Yeah, I'd say if you're wanting, I can feather the black hole a little bit, you know, because it has a little too sharp edges. Yeah, I mean, perfect, dude. Play around, mess around. You the man, bro. You did it. You did it. You did it. You did it. Hooray. Man and monkey. I got a monkey. Yeah. He can talk. Hey. What's that? That's Dora the Explorer, dude. I love Dora the Explorer. She's so amazing. She does such cool stuff in like such a young age. Whoa! Look at that. Shit, that's cool. Wow. That was amazing, dude. Ooh. That actually looks, I like that. Last boy, I did it. I'm not kidding. That took me like twice, like 1, 2, 3 twice to just make that thing. Cause first I was like, yo, what's up? Throw that CC, throw that solid, bring it into it like kabang. Y'all couldn't understand shit. I was like, bro, you know, I zoned out for a second and the interior Merzaud came out. I was like, bro, I'm interior Merzaud. I'm like, what's up? Yo, you look scary, bro. I think me, he was like, yeah. I'm like, bro, that's insane, man. That's amazing. And he was like, yo, I take it down a little, you know, take it down low. And I was like, for sure, you know. So yeah, thought it was, I guess it was decent enough. I hope y'all understood everything I was talking. I literally don't know. But yeah, I hope y'all liked it. Let me know if y'all liked it by disliking it. Yeah, dislike it if you liked it. And if y'all didn't like it, like it. Makes no sense, but yo, cool. You know, comment, you know, be like, hey, you look like poop emoji. Do I? Man, why I gotta be so disrespectful, man? Screw y'all. But anyways, yo, I'm out, and oh yo, we all are gonna die someday. Like you, me, everybody. We all are gonna die sooner or later. Yeah, we all are gonna die. You know, some people might die worse than we do. Some people might burn to death. Some people might drown to death. Some people might get shot like PAH! But at the end of the day, we all die. And yeah, that's the quote of the day. Happiness does not exist. Happiness is just us, you know, trying to contradict reality. It's like trying to make a fake reality. Happiness does not exist. Love does not exist. You know what exists though? Death. So die! Yeah, I meant it. Bye! I'll catch y'all later, guys.